The last class we saw the loud reading, what loud reading and fast reading. These two things we saw yesterday in the last class. So here is a small exercise which suggests you to become again acquainted with the newspaper cuttings and any article that you come across. Okay, so the exercise is select a brief newspaper report and read it aloud. Okay, and then select a small passage on an achiever in the field of sports medicine and any other. Again, read it aloud. That's an exercise. Prepare a list of quotes on topic of your choice and read them aloud. Now, you can do a search from the quotes and then you can read them aloud. Okay, so that is over. Then there is something to be discussed about the theatre. Normally, we have seen that theatre means something which is connected with cinema and movies. Okay, it is not like that. Basically, theatre is a few classical arts. The classical arts means that is not something which is regular and in which you have something like unrealistic moves and concepts. Here in the theatre, they perform something like a drama. And then if you are able to act well, you can very well be acting in front of the camera and something like that. Okay. So by drama, you need, how many drama is found in the literature, English literature or any other language literature. Shakespeare is a drama. And you might have been learning about that in regular English classes. It's a great way of building your ability to read aloud and speak in public forum. Public forum is a public place, is a place where some people join. Theatre activities help you to hone your voice. Hone means it is like sharpening, or even if there is no such thing like some initiation, it is called as the toning, like that honing your voice, modulation, how it is packed and sent, intonation and pronunciation. Modulation, you must know what modulation means. The voice is completely modified. That is why you have modulation and demodulation. Demodulation. What you do in modulation is, you take a particular voice and convert it into electrical signals as far as science is concerned, put them into the carrier waves, send them to some other places, and this mod and dem is what we call it as the modem. Modem is of course found in almost all the phones nowadays. It is used for widely used for the internet purpose. What actually modem does? Modem, for example, I am telling you, I am speaking you, my voice is converted into electromagnetic waves. So these electromagnetic waves have to be carried away by some signals. So you call it as the carrier waves. So these carrier waves are radio waves that are everywhere in our the towers that you find everywhere. So the radio waves are actually carrier waves. When you merge your voice with the carrier waves, when you merge carrier waves, it is called as the modulation in physics. So something is being done to carry over the voice. The same thing is there in the modulation that is mentioned there. What is the tone you are talking? What is the pronunciation? Everything has got slight connectivity with them, but they all do the same thing, delivery, how speech. So read this excerpt, you should note this. I think it is not except. Okay, it is not except. Excerpt means it is a short. Excerpt means precise. I mean that is some kind of short, brief. The modern version of famous phrases from Shakespeare, as you like it, is a conversion between Orlando and Rosalind were lovers about the time. It's a dialogue that there. Why didn't you see the steps of time instead the lazy food? Or so this is Orlando and Rosalino. They're just talking. You can see, and this is something very much old English, and you've got a lot of things. It is an example that is given there. So what is the final things they say? That is, uh, so here you can see that the dialogue continues and it is still fun. In between these two dialogues, you can find some significant meanings, significant words. That make a note of those words. Those words and use some in your daily life or academic life, wherever you want to discuss with your students, friends, and so some meanings are there, and I'm not going into all the meanings and that. I'm just telling you to go over there. Here is another habit of diary rating. Diary rating, most people do not take up nowadays because they see something very confidential and something which will cause some trouble at a later stage. It is not like that. For example, diary rating is you can keep a of things log of things you eat, purchase, and tour and events. They are very useful. Uh, if you read them someday or other, they are very useful, and you can view how much you have improved over the days. Okay, so two things. Take something which is artistic theater. Theater is different from uh, that theater which we go to the cinema and watch the movies. The movies are recorded things. The theater is one where you have some talented actors. Some talented actors in Tamil, you can see there was one movie by Vijay Sethupathi in which it talks about the theater. I have to tell what it is. Vijay Sethupathi Girish Karnad was another theater actor. Okay, Nasiruddin Shah is another theater-based actor, and most of the time, these people do not come to the acting. Okay, that is, I'm just searching for Vijay Sethupath's movie in which you can see uh, Sindhubad, Super Deluxe, Chitta Chivandavanam, Jinga. It is called as a Sitakti. If you happen to see this Vijay Sethupath's movie called as Sitakti, there you can see this is a theatre-based film. Sitakti, the Tamil film, theatre-based Tamil movie, and you will see how the actor tries to keep alive, tries to keep alive, tries to keep alive the art of acting in a theatre. You will see that it will be something like a boring thing, but it is the place from where artists are born, and these are the artists who are nowadays sometimes called as the actors. Okay, here is one of the brief excerpt, or you can see some paragraph from a diary. This is not that diary. That diary is, DAIRY is milk, and this one is the DERY. Journal writing is a great significance in human life. The diary of a young girl is also known as the Diary of Anne Frank, proved to be an invaluable document and moving story of a Holocaust. Holocaust is a some bad history, bad what should I say, bad time or era, something like a war. A war is a Holocaust, occasioned by Hitler's agenda to exterminate the Jews. So that is called as the Holocaust when Hitler tried to terminate the Jews. Anne Frank was a Jewish teenager who, with her family, was hiding for 2 years during a Nazi Hitler forces. So Hitler was after the Jews, killing Jews. Okay, so she tried to flee from this the army sent by the Jewish, that is the Hitler's men. And she went and spent some time in the Netherlands. They were soon caught by the Nazis. Nazi is a group that belongs to Hitler. Okay, Annie died of typhoid in a Nazi concentration camp. The only survivor in the family was her father. Otto Frank, a person named Ned Gills, found Annie's diary and gave it to her father after World War II was over. The diary has been published in more than 60 languages. So, why it was published? Because the account of writing was very great. Very great. So, it what it mentions is, you have to have some skills. Diary entry should not only be about routine activities like self getting up at 5 a.m. today. I had a bath and prayed to God and I did my breakfast and I went to college. This should not be there. Only certain important events should be mentioned. Okay, and so on. Apart from these entries, the journal should reflect your thought life on what you say. So, aren't we calling this as thought life? Means it is opinion. What is your opinion? What do you think? And what is right and what is wrong? You write it. Nowadays, Facebook is some kind of a diary. Some people give their opinion, write that, and after 1 year, when it posts the memories, you can see what you have written. I used to write some good uh, mobile phones, that were there in. For example, some 8 years back, I have used a review from some other journals like Digit and PC Quest. So from there, I selected some mobiles and posted the reviews. After 8 years, when I see that all the mobile phones have disappeared and have become obsolete. Obsolete means very old. Old. Okay. So this gives me some idea about what has actually happened. Okay. So here is an account of what happened in the diary. So you can see Mr. Dissel has told us much about the outside world we have missed for so long. He had sad news, countless friends, and acquaintances. Acquaintances means relatives. Okay, and default. I mean, they had been taken off a dreadful fate. Fate means very well. Night after night, green and grey military vehicles cruise the streets. So they used to roam in the streets. They knock on every door, asking whether any Jews was alive there. If so, the whole family is immediately taken away. If not, they proceed to the next house. It's impossible to escape their clutches unless you go into hiding. They go house by house searching for the Jews. They often go around with lists, knocking only on doors who know there is a big haul to be made. Big haul means, uh, something like, if you put a net in the sea, you get a good fish. You catch up fish, okay. Catch up fish, you call it as a big haul to be made. They frequently offer a bounty. Bounty means, this is price, okay. If you find some such person, you will be given 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees like that. That is called as the bounty. So much per head. Per head they used to give it. Okay. So it's the same. It's the slave hands of the olden days. I feel wicked, sleeping in a warm bed while someone out there, my dearest friends, are dropping from exhaustion or being knocked to the ground. When they pick up, they are being exhausted and they feel very uh, tired and they have fallen. So that way, she has given an account of how frightened she was when thinking of close friends who are now at the mercy of the cruelest monsters ever to stalk the earth. Monster to stalk the earth means, monster means, what is mean by monster? A dragon is a monster. Huge life or huge event that is not human friendly is called as a monster. Stalking the earth means living and walking on the earth, living and walking on the earth, and all because they are Jews. So that is why she writes that she was a Jew and she used to move from place to place, and every night there used to be the trucks and persons in uniform picking up these persons, and wherever they know very well where persons were hiding, they will pick up, and some of them will be exhausted and some of them will be knocked to the ground. And even if you see a movie about this, there is a movie called as The Pianist, in which there is an account of what is happening to the Jews were followed by the Hitler. The Hitler regime was very cruel, so that is why it is calling it as a master. Okay. Now coming to the next part about writing a diary. You can see. Okay, can you read it? There is a difference between reading about the Holocaust through a history book and feeling the reality through diary entries. So history book is different from the diary. So it is giving you a direct account. Okay. So it is collection. Please go and search the copy of this wonderful life changing. How can you begin writing a diary? As mentioned earlier, merely entering routine activities like the time you wake up, pray, and doesn't help. And your teacher can guide you in the early stage of your life and share in the writing your diary. Teachers who encourage students to hone their writing skills for practice of diary writing encourage the students to document, write their experience. டீச்சர்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா யாராவது கைடு வந்து உங்களுக்கு எப்படி ஒரு டைரி எழுதணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இந்த பேராகிராஃப் சொன்னாங்க. அதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு பேர் இருக்கக்கூடாது, நீங்கள் என்ன சாப்பிட்டீங்க, நீங்கள் யார் ப்ரே பண்ணீங்க, நீங்கள் எங்கே தூங்குனீங்க, அதெல்லாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. சம்திங் விச் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அண்ட் சம்திங் வெரி குட் and precise information இருக்கணும் அதில். Okay, so for example, if you want to write today, if you went to the market, you found a fish or you found something very worth good purchase, you can write the price so that after few years, if you compare the price, it might have been increased. So you might wonder how the price rate has increased. What today is not used to be. For example, I have a diary in which I have written the construction of the house. So per square feet, the construction of house was about 500 rupees. Okay, in 10 years back. Now in 10 years, the construction has gone rise to 10 times, 5,000. So if you have a house which can be constructed in 50 lakhs, nowadays it cannot be constructed in 50 lakhs. It can be constructed into 5 crore rupees. Okay, it has raised 10 times. So that will be very useful. Okay, now the next thing is some hints that he has given you to start writing a diary. Okay, start writing a diary. So always note DI should come there, because if you put diary, it will be milk related. Okay, do you have any experience that upset you? இதனால ஒரு ஈவெண்ட்னால உங்களுக்கு வந்து மூட் அவுட் ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லை அப்செட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா you feel writing about it, just write it. Do you witness something on the road in your neighborhood that made you think about the human life cycle? Some accident, something, ஏதாவது ஒரு எதிர்பாராத ஒன்று நடந்துச்சுன்னா அது உடனே எழுதணும். For instance, when there was the start of the lockdown, it was a very horrible thing in the month of March and April this year. So we have written so many accounts of what has happened, how people were forced to remain inside. There was no shop, everything was closed. Transport was prohibited. Hospitals were closed. Everything was topsy-turvy, and that is the kind of effect on the life inside. A few lines about your own experience with this, it will be very helpful, either for vocabulary purposes or for increasing your writing skills. This is something natural word like birds, will trees, really catch your attention. What is the thing then? So this thing was also there. Some new birds were found within the vicinity in the last few months. There were a lot of new sounds and new birds that were found because human venture was not there. Human beings were silent. Vehicle pollution was very less. Flight pollution was not at all there. So these things led the birds to occupy a very good space. In fact, it was their space. Birds have been there for a long time, even before human beings were there. We should give them some space. We should grow trees. Okay, so what thoughts have crossed your mind when you watch the news on TV? Write your response in a piece of news that made you. So this is very hot topic nowadays. People giving political opinion on what is happening. This is a easy job. Okay, இந்த கட்சியில இருந்தா இவன் அப்படி பண்ணிருக்காது அப்படி பண்ணிருக்கா இவர் இப்படி இருக்கணும். You can talk a lot, you can lot of things. Okay, but if you can write something very precise and that's well and good, and that's what we need, something very precise. Also, alluding once again to the diary of Anne Frank C, that she expressed her feelings. Okay, what is meant by alluding? Alluding means it is it's a suggestion. Okay, something that again to the diary of Anne Frank, we see that she expressed her feelings of sadness about what's happening and the useful in interstices. What's in a diary life's journal? Your diary is an important document, if not for society, for you in your individual journey. நீங்க எடுக்கக்கூடிய தனியா ஜர்னி, தனியா உங்க பாதையில நீங்க எழுதக்கூடியது உங்களுடைய பாதை யூஸ் பண்ணணும். நானும் டைரிக்கு நிறைய எழுதிருக்கேன். But something like the events, I told you, I used to keep the technical diary. Okay, for example, when Nokia 1020 was launched. Okay, 1020, it was the first mobile phone with 40 megapixel. 40 megapixel. It was the first mobile phone with it. The pictures were very sharp. When there was very demand. This 1020 mobile was a result of two PhD students in electronics and photography. So the mobiles review were a lot of there. So I wrote that I wish to have that mobile phone. So I have written that I wanted to purchase them. I contacted one of my cousin and purchased this mobile phone. After 2 years of usage, support was removed. After 2 years of usage, the support was removed. Support means Windows 10 become obsolete. Windows Phone become obsolete, and it was Android everywhere. Now it is lying as a museum piece. No use for a phone that cost about 40,000 rupees in 40,000 in the year 2014. 40,000 is just lying there because it can just be used as a camera phone and just a calling phone. No other important thing is there. But when it was launched, I wrote so many things. I read so many reviews. People were giving this. I also wrote something about that, and even purchased it. But now it is lying very idle. So based on this writings, I am able to say that what I have written, I have to wait for a few days before buying anything new. So this is kind of diary will help you to make some good decision while purchasing something or while going for something. Okay, you can always look back on your entries and see how far you have come. You can revisit happy and sad moments in your life. You can be strengthened by lessons you learned from your experiences. Experience is something very expensive than even your studies, your certificates and your degrees. There are many uneducated persons, but they have got very good experience, and you cannot live into their experiences to experience those things, but you can learn from them and write them. Here are some quotes about the practice of keeping diary. Keep a diary and someday it will keep you. So there are some quotes there. So you can always collect those quotes. And the last part of the session today, some quotes are there. Okay, what is a diary? As a rule, a document useful to the person who keeps it, dull to the contemporary who reads it, invaluable to the student centuries afterwards who treasures it. So here is something யார் மதிக்கிறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு தான் வேல்யூபிள் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Contemporary means, those who are there in your period, they will not agree with that. Something in the future they might be useful to. I have often been downcast. It is said by Walter Scott. I have often been downcast. Downcast na casting means, it is impression. It is giving away, passing away, down pass. Okay, but never in despair. I regard our heading as a dangerous adventure, romantic, interesting at the same time. In my diary, I treat all the privations as amusing and frank. It's the same person who wrote the diary there. Okay, amusing means, you can always go and get yourself engaged, entertained by something which is there. So she finds that every private account she has written has something very amusing. Nowadays, what is the amusing skill? Amusing skill means, you go to a shop like Amazon or Flipkart and then go there and add something to your wish list and to find it. That's the kind of amusement. You find it entertained, you find it very experienced, and then you can compare them. Okay, you can compare them and come to a conclusion. So I do that also. So privations means it is a narrations. One advantage of keeping a diary is that you become aware. So this is 10 by Dan Frank. You can with the reason clarity and the changes which you can suffer. Franz Kafka, another German writer, was very famous for writing the philosophy and those times in the World War times. And what you suffer, you can always overcome. Constantly suffer. எது உங்களுக்கு வந்து திருப்பி சதாச்சிக்கினே இருக்குதோ அதை வந்து நீங்க eliminate பண்ணலாம். You can eliminate it by writing a diary. You can eliminate if you have a record. Record is something a diary. So the diary is, in fact, in the modern language, you are calling it as a data. Okay, you can keep a data of how many things, what has happened when you eat something, what has happened when you have taken certain medicines. This data will be not only helpful to you, but for also some other persons also. Okay, I think this has been very helpful session to you. So let us look into the next lab, and meanwhile I have a look again at the diary writing. I suggest you write something. Diary need not be something which is very bound, which is very costly. It can be anything. You can write it and always preserve it. So just start writing the diary. Note down the events, note down the words. That will be very useful to you in the future. Let's have a break. See you around next time. Thank you for joining.